quality assurance, quick turnaround times, local services, responsiveness to customer feedback. These are some of the many reasons to source parts and components from domestic manufacturers. WIKA is a global company with 11,000 employees in 43 countries, including over 800 employees in 6 U.S. locations. WIKA USA in Pasadena, Texas, just a few miles from the Houston ship channel, is a trusted partner of energy and chemical companies in the region and around the world. In this 90,000 square foot facility certified to ISO 9001, the internationally recognized standard for quality management systems, WIKA designs and manufactures electronic temperature measurement solutions such as RTDs, Thermowells, temperature transmitters, tubeskin thermocouples, and multi-point temperature systems. The Houston location is also a leading supplier of diaphragm seals and DS assemblies for monitoring pressure in the most challenging process environments. In addition to temperature and pressure instruments, we offer installation, repair, maintenance, and training. Companies around the world rely on WIKA instruments to monitor and control their industrial processes. And thanks to our South Texas location, customers receive fast delivery, timely service, and unparalleled support.